In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Northwest Registered Agent. Whether you're a seasoned business professional or just starting out, navigating a new platform can be daunting. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring you get the most out of your experience with Northwest Registered Agent. Let's start by logging into your Northwest Registered Agent homepage. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. This is a great feature, especially if you're new to the platform or not particularly tech-savvy. The interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to find what you need without feeling overwhelmed by too much information at once. As you explore the homepage, you'll notice several key sections. One of the most important areas is your active services. This section provides a clear overview of all the services you currently have with Northwest Registered Agent. It's a convenient way to keep track of everything you're using without having to dig through multiple pages or documents. Next, you have the Active Orders section. This is where you can see any orders that are currently being processed or have been recently completed. It's a useful tool for monitoring the progress of your requests and ensuring everything is on track. In addition to your services and orders, the dashboard also highlights your business details. This section is crucial for maintaining up-to-date information about your business, which is necessary for compliance and communication purposes. Make sure to review this information regularly to ensure accuracy. At the top middle of the dashboard, you'll find the navigation options. These options allow you to easily switch between different areas of the platform, such as your account settings, billing information, and support resources. Familiarizing yourself with these navigation options will save you time and make your experience with Northwest Registered Agent much more efficient. Throughout the platform, you'll find that Northwest Registered Agent has prioritized ease of use. If you ever find yourself uncertain about a particular feature or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. They're there to help you make the most of the services provided and ensure your business needs are met. In summary, using Northwest Registered Agent involves logging into a user-friendly dashboard where you can manage your active services, track orders, and maintain up-to-date business information. With its intuitive design and helpful support, you'll be able to navigate the platform with ease and confidence. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and I encourage you to explore further and take full advantage of everything Northwest Registered Agent has to offer.